Well, hello and welcome to the Creative Gardener. I'm Amanda, your host in the garden. So, I'm asking for a little bit of help. I've been looking all over the internet for the name of this plant and it still eludes me. So, there's two more growing in the garden, and this is what the flowers look like. They're very pretty and they have a honeysuckle like aroma to them. They're just beautiful. So when I first saw it growing, it didn't look like anything of a plant, but I thought let it grow because you never know, it might be a fruit tree. And it's started, after it's flowered, it started to produce these I've looked in a couple of the young ones and they look like the seed pods, but I've never seen, if it is a fruit, I've never seen a fruit like this, and I don't know how big they get. So it would be interesting if you're watching this video and you recognize it, then it would be great to hear what you think it is. There is, as I say, there's another one growing. It's flowering, it's got a few flowers, but it hasn't yet produced any fruit. And as you can see, look at the leaves, this is how they look. They looked kind of dryish, like as if they had a coating on them when I first saw the plant. And yeah, but these are really intriguing. So the other one looks very similar. It's a bit taller, but it hasn't yet produced any of these, I'll just call them fruit, seed pods, because they produce fruit first and then, oh no, the flowers and then the seeds. Yeah, it may be, who knows. But shall I show you the other one? Yeah, come on, it's just here. It's just, the grass needs a cut. And I've got some jobs to do with the grass, the fountain grass that I've got at the front. It needs, like what I've done here is cut it and lay it over the ground because it's getting a bit, it gets a bit muddy. Anyway, so here's the other one, and there's another two more in the garden. So this is grown, it just grew and I thought, yeah, just let me leave it. So this is what it looks like when the flowers are beginning to come out, and I've got a few more over there. You can see around here. Yeah, there's a couple kind of like showing their head. But yeah, it's got an amazing smell. See how tall it is. But yeah, I've not been able to find out, and I only found out by accident. I was walking past one of the flowers and I was struck by this really strong kind of honeysuckle, and I was thinking, I haven't planted honeysuckle, what is that? And then when I decided to smell the flowers, see, they're very pretty, aren't they? Yeah, so this is my unknown plant this week. So if you're familiar with it, let's go back to the others. Let's go back to the other one so you can. So if you're familiar with it, then it would be great if you can leave a comment. So yeah. Plant identification. Help, please. Okay, so that's me for today. There's other plants that I'll share with you that if you know, then it'd be great to hear from you. And it's great to hear from you anyway. Oh, look at these big ones. It's like every day I come out and look at them to see what changes have occurred. Anyway, take care for now. This is me, Amanda, signing out.